Salam, a very good day. Today we will discuss about the equivalent uniform annual cost, or we call it as EUAC. Let's see another example of our EUAC method. Okay, we have a new machinery, and we also have a used machinery. We want to make a comparison which one of this new or used machinery that we want to buy. Okay, with high interest rates of 18% per year. Okay, if we purchase a new machinery, we need to pay for 44,000. If we buy for the used machinery, we need to pay for 23,000. However, for the annual operating cost for this new machinery is 7,000. We pay more for this machinery, 9,000 for the operating cost. And then the annual maintenance cost for the new machinery is also less. It's only 210 compared to the used machinery, 350. Each 2 years, there is no need for this new machinery to overhaul. However, for the used machinery, you need to overhaul the machinery apparatus for 1,900. Okay, and then for this new machinery, we need to overhaul every 5 years for 2,500. Okay, there's no need for the used machinery. And then after 15 years of machinery usage, we can sell it back as a salvage value for 4,000 for our new machinery. And for the used machinery, after 8 years of usage, we can sell it back for 3,000. Let's see the solutions for this example. Let's see the solution for the new machinery. For this new machinery, we go for the our cash flow diagram. All right, for the purchasing cost of 44,000 here, okay, at year 0, and then we need annual operating cost for 7,000. Okay, this become our per annum A1, and then we also have annual maintenance cost. This will become our per annum A2, and then every 5 years we need to make an overhaul here for 2005 at year 5. Okay, and also here 2005 at year 10. There is no need for year 15 because after 15 years of this machinery usage, we salvage it, we sell our machinery for 4,000. Okay, so there is no need for overhaul. Alright, once we got this cash flow diagram, we may calculate our annual worth. Alright, annual worth is we want to find A. Okay, we want to find A. For example, in our case here, negative 44,000 because we purchased it. We want to find A when we know the P. Our P here is 44,000. Okay, so negative 44,000 multiplied by finding A when you know the P for 18% of interest rates at 15 years. Okay, and then minus our first overhaul there, 2,500. Okay, 2,500. Okay, to become finding P when we know the F, because we convert first. This will become our F here, 2005. We convert this F first to become our P here. Okay, after that one we having this P, we convert this P to become our new A here. That's why we need to multiply by 2. First first is finding P. Okay, finding P when we know the F. Okay, we convert F to become P here, and after that we multiply it again here, once we got this P to become finding A, okay, finding A when we knew the P, finding A when we knew the P, alright, so it's trying to transfer to become here, a new value here, alright, so for this 2500, okay, single payment here, you need to convert it to become uh, two value transferred, okay, and again here for the year 10, okay, year 10 here, we have another overhaul 2500 ringgit here, alright, again uh, this is your second future value. You need to convert it first to become present value, alright, so we call it as binding fee when we knew the F, okay, at year 10. After we convert it to become P here, we convert it again to become finding A when we knew the P, because we already knew the P value here. After we transfer it from F, we convert it to become again here a new A, okay, so twice the value we need to transfer, and then the uh, the fourth value here is 7,210. Okay, this is the total per annum value, 7,000 plus the 210. Alright, and then plus 4,000 here. This is F value here, F value at 15 years. So we just transfer it to become finding A when you knew the F. This is the F value. Okay, multiplied by 4,000. Alright, and then our annual worth is equivalent to negative 44,000 multiplied by 0.196. This value is come from your compound interest table of 18% interest rate at 15 years at column finding A when you knew the P minus 2500 multiplied by 0.4371, again multiplied by 0.1964, because this value come from column P, finding P when you knew the F, and then another one here is from the column finding A when you knew the P. Okay, twice. Alright, and after that minus the 2500 multiplied by 0.1911, again multiplied by 0.1964. This value come from the compound interest table. Again here, twice multiple to column P when you know the F, and again here 0.1964 come from column finding A when you know the P for 18% of 15%, 15 years. Okay, minus the 7,210 plus the 4,000 multiplied by 0.0164 from your finding A when you knew the F for 18% at 15 years. And the total annual worth for this new machinery is negative 16,094 ringgit. Let's see the second solutions for the used machinery. We buy the machinery at 23,000 at our first year, and then after that we're having annual operating cost of 9,000. Okay, this will become our A1 per annum one. We also having annual maintenance costs, okay, valued at 350. This will become our A2. We also having an overhaul, okay, every 2 years. okay, valued at 1900, okay, and then at the fourth year, okay, we're having another 1100, and then 2 years after that, at 6 years, we're also having another overhaul, okay, valued at 1900. Okay, at year 8 there is no overhaul, but we will salvage our machinery for 3000. Okay, we sell back our machinery for 3000. This will become our F. All right, so what happened here, we try to calculate, okay, based on this annual worth. First, the 23,000, we need to multiply it to finding A when you knew the P. Okay, the P value is 23,000 at 18% interest rates. Okay, for 8 years. After that, for first, okay, for the first overhaul, we will calculate 1900 multiple by finding P when you knew the F. Okay, first, this 1900 here at second year, at second year here, we will transfer it, all right, to our P here. Okay, that's why we call it as finding P when you knew the F for second year. After that, once we got those from this new P here, we will calculate, okay, to become finding A when you knew the P, multiple by finding A when you knew the P, because all of this P here will become a new A. Okay, will become a new A up until 8 years. That's why, okay, this will become finding A when we knew the P. The P is from this previous calculation, and then we multiple it. Okay, and the same method was introduced for our second overhaul here. Second overhaul here. Right, for this second overhaul, 1900 multiple by finding P when you know the F. Okay, finding P when we know the F here, we transfer it first to become our new P here. Okay, this is our F, and then after that, once we transfer it, we need to multiply again to make sure we transfer this P, okay, to become our new A. Okay, our new A, the same here like this. All right, and we will get a new value here. All right, and then after that, the same method, we will use it again for this 1900 here. 1900 here. All right, we transfer it first to our P here. Okay, that's why we got finding P. Okay, finding P when you know the F. Alright, and then after that, we again multiply it to become finding A when we know the P. Alright, finding P when finding A when we know the P, because we will transfer it to become a new zone of our A here. Alright, for 8 years. Okay, that's why we have to multiply by 2 times. Finding P when you know the F, and then finding A when you knew the P, to this 1900 or every 2 years overhaul, and then minus the 9350 here. Okay, this is the total from our A1 per annum 1 and per annum 2, we got 9,350. No need to multiply by anything because this is already in term of per annum. Okay, remember we want to calculate per annum annual worth or EUAC. Okay, and again the plus 3,000, this is the 3,000, this is our F here. All right, finding A when you knew the F, directly convert to finding A when this value of F, okay, at 18% at 8 years. Okay, after that, once we got all this value is from the column of finding P where you know the F, finding A where you know the P. Okay, from 18% of compound interest table at year second, at year 8 or year 4th. Okay, from we need to refer to our equations here, and then we will see that for annual worth of our used machinery is negative 15,542, and this AW for used machinery is lesser compared to the annual worth of new machinery, so we will select used machinery as our. Okay. Let's see another example for this EUC method. The example is we try to make a comparison of the equal service machinery, of which the cost shown here with I of 15% per year. We have plan A, we have plan B. Plan A is a single system. Plan B is a total of machinery 1 and machinery 2. Plan A, we require purchasing cost of 10,000. Plan B is require machinery 1. The first purchasing is 30,000. The purchasing for the machinery second is 5,000. And the annual operating cost for Plan A is only 500. For Plan B, machinery 1, 100. Machinery 2 is 200. There is 1,000 service value for the Plan A. There is 5,000 for machine 1 and uh, negative 200 for machinery 2. That's mean if you want to throw away your machinery, you need to pay 200. And for the plan A, you can use it for 40 years. Okay, machinery 1. For plan B, you can use it for 40 years. And for the machinery 2, only 20 years. Let's see the solution for the plan A first. Okay, the solution for the plan A. Okay, we purchase this machinery for 10,000. All right, and then we will having our annual operating cost of 500 every year for 40 years. Okay, after 40 years of usage, we can sell this machinery for 1,000. All right, so once we got this cash flow diagram here, we will convert this cash flow diagram to become an equation that we can use it, okay, to calculate based on our compound interest table. So the first calculation is the 10,000 here. 10,000 here. All right, you need to multiply it to finding A when you knew the P. Why? Because this 10,000 here is in unit of P. Okay, present worth. You need to transfer it to become finding A when you knew the P. So we want to find A here. Okay, for 15% at 40 years. Okay, and then minus 500. Why 500? Because our annual operating cost here already in subject of per annum. All right, so there's no need for you to convert. Okay, we just use it here. All right, and then we are also having another 1,000. Okay, this 1,000 is based on our F here. So we convert it to become finding A when we know the F. Okay, multiple to 1000 here. And then once we got those, we will see that uh, our value for annual worth is 2000 negative. Okay, for the plan A. Let's see for the plan. After that, we calculate the plan B, machine 1. Alright, we buy this machine 1, 30,000 at our first year here. This will become our P there. So we convert this 30,000 to become finding A when you know the P. The P is 30,000. Okay, for 15% at 40 years. Okay, minus 100. Okay, this 100 is direct value of our per annum here. No need to transfer the value because this is direct value of per annum. However, our 5,000 here, this is our future value at year 40. We convert it to become finding A when you know the F. Okay, because we want to know what is our A value. Okay, for 40 years. And then we will see that for the annual worth of machinery 1 is negative 4,614. Alright, let's see the plan B machinery 2. This machinery 2, we buy it for 5,000. Alright, this is our present value, so we need to convert it to become A. So we refer to our compound interest table, finding A when we know the P. What is the P? The P is 5,000. Okay, for 20 years. Okay, let's see here. If we compare, this is 20 years. For machinery 1, this is 40 years. There is clear difference here between 40 and 20 years. It's okay, no problem. For the annual worth or EUAC, there is no concern for the year that we taken for calculations. It is differ compared to the present worth. Present worth require the same year, but for the EUAC or annual worth, there's no need to concern about our years. Okay, because our calculation is based on per annum. Alright, after that we minus the 200 here. Alright, direct number 200. Alright, however, if we want to salvage our value, okay, of our machine 2 after 20 years, we need to pay 200. So instead of we get our money, we getting paid, okay, to salvage our machinery. In this case, okay, it not happen. Okay, instead we need to pay 200 here. So this will become negative 200. Okay, finding A, okay, because this 200 is our future value when you know the F. Okay, at 15% interest rates. Okay, after 20 years. So after we take all of our value from our compound interest table here, okay, we will see that for annual worth of machinery 2 plan B is uh, negative 1075. If we total all of plan B, okay, 4614 with this 1075 there, we will see that the total number is 5614. So it is much more compared to our plan B. So in our case here, we need to buy machinery plan A as our selection. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.